Hi, I'm Amy Connor Murphy, Principal Architect with ACM Design. We're here today in Black Mountain, which is about 20 minutes outside of Asheville, North Carolina, to show you this mountain craftsman style home that we designed for our clients here. This home is a gold level, healthy built home status, which means that we've used a significant number of sustainable products and design features in this home. The homeowners wanted to have a home that responded to the site, that minimized the footprint, incorporated sustainable materials and design features as made sense for their budget. But they also wanted it to have some creature comforts.
We wanted a house that was big enough to enjoy but not too big to take care of for everyday life. So she really incorporated many of the things that were important to us.
We took all of the parameters of what they needed in a home in terms of spaces. We made that fit into the site. We took advantage of a creek that bisects the site. We took advantage of views through most of the rooms.
It was an interesting dynamic as we worked on the project because we thought of a lot of things we wanted. Amy brought in many details on issues such as lighting, roof lines, construction materials that we would never have known about or thought about.
This home achieved a gold level healthy built home standard for its sustainable materials and practices that we used in the design. There are some features that we have that got us to that level: foam insulation, high efficiency windows, high efficiency mechanical system for heating and cooling. We also have high efficiency gas output fireplaces that have blowers, and so they can heat even if they were to have a power outage here. We used low VOC paints. We used bamboo flooring and cork flooring, and also some ceramic tile in bathrooms. All of the plumbing fixtures are low water usage, and all of the lighting fixtures in the house use compact fluorescent bulbs, and they're Energy Star fixtures, and also all of the appliances in the house are Energy Star appliances. Even those practices were extended to the landscape. For instance, all of the rainwater that hits the roof or the land is recycled into an irrigation system that waters all of the plantings. Most of those are indigenous or native plantings or are plants that do well in our climate here. All of the pavers that were used on the driveway are a pervious surface, so any water that hits there goes back into the ground. And all of those things started in the design phase of thinking of how to use those, make that work into the client's budget without sacrificing quality or aesthetics or creature comforts.
The materials that went into making this house livable and functional were also the materials that helped bring it to that level of certification, and it's just an added bonus. We couldn't have begun to have done this without having an architect like Amy who really looked at issues from a construction standpoint and a design standpoint.
We all worked really hard as a team to realize what you see today in this home. The home is supported by the landscape is supported by the home. I feel like we've done a good job here.
For someone who is thinking about an architect, we were very pleased with her work, with her attention to detail, her willingness to go to bat for what she thought was best for us, and for truly listening to the things that were most important for us throughout the whole project.